Hello everyone, it's Mark from Totally Silenced Tech. After reviewing the K95 Platinum RGB that was priced at $200 or 200 UK pounds not that long ago, it's finally time to check out something a little bit cheaper. This keyboard has just been released by Corsair and it won't break the bank. This is the brand new K63 10 keyless mechanical gaming keyboard, priced at $79.99 US and $79.99 UK pounds. It takes a no-frills approach, but without any sacrifices to its typing or gaming performance. Opening up the box, there isn't anything else in there but the keyboard and user manual, so you won't get any textured keycaps or a wrist rest included with the K63. I know a lot of you think wrist rests are a must, but just remember you can always add one later to this keyboard, as there's plenty available on Amazon. Taking a closer look at the keyboard, it actually reminds me more of the original Strafe, released a couple years ago by Corsair, rather than the K series. The top plate is made from a hard plastic that's very durable, a far cry from the premium air grade aluminium or aluminum finish found on the K70 or the K95. The keycaps used on the K63 have the same newer bold font found on all of Corsair's keyboards ever since the release of the original Strafe. They allow more light to travel through, giving the keyboard a brighter appearance. The keycaps are made from standard ABS with a translucent plastic on the inside, giving the font a much more even glow. The 10 keyless keyboard comes with real Cherry MX switches, great to see at this price point. They're housed in a non-translucent shell with a single red LED situated at the top of the switch. Cherry's MX red switch is generally preferred by gamers due to its low actuation force of 45 grams and linear travel. Here's a typing and mashing sound test for all your clickety-clack lovers out there. The K63 has multimedia keys on the left that feel a little bit soft without too much tactile feedback. Either way, they get the job done. Further over, there's a high quality Corsair logo finished in chrome plastic. Also, there's a brightness toggle and Windows lock key. Corsair have also included a volume and mute keys. Checking out the back of the keyboard, there's nothing to see here. There isn't any USB pass-through, so I guess I'll move on. The cable isn't braided, but it's a lot thinner and easier to manage compared to its bigger brothers, the K70 and K95. The K63 also only requires a single USB 2.0 port from your computer to work. Underneath, there's also two flip-out feet at the back and none at the front. Build quality of the K63 is excellent. It has 0 to no flex and it remains very stable while typing and gaming. For its price, I'm finding it extremely hard to say anything negative about it at all. So that's everything wrapped up. All that's left to do is to check out the Corsair Q Software. It's great to see there's been zero compromises. Before I start, if you've bought this keyboard and it's not being recognised by the software, please make sure you download the latest version. Okay, the first tab is the Actions tab that allows you to make your own macros, which are great for MOBA games especially. You can also assign text, remap a key, or even the multimedia keys can be changed to any key you like by simply highlighting a single key at the top or multiple keys by stretching across with your mouse. The next tab is all about lighting. You start off by simply adding a zone. From there you can use the drop down menu and you can make any effects you can possibly think of by using the base effect and customizing them below. If that's a little too complicated for you, you can switch off advanced mode and choose basic effects such as visor, rain, wave, typing light key, typing lighting ripple, and lastly a single static colour. The last tab, Performance, gives you various options such as how to customize the Windows lock key. You're even able to alter colors on the Windows lock key and brightness toggle, although since the keyboard isn't RGB, it's pointless changing them. Well, that pretty much finishes off the review, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Rounding off now as a summary, the K63 gives you a great gaming experience. It doesn't perform any worse or any better than the top tier flagship keyboards offered by Corsair. In fact, its 10 keyless design may even be preferred due to its smaller form factor, but then of course you're missing out on the numpad. Overall, its build quality is exceptional at its price point. It will last you just as long as any keyboard costing 2 or 3 times its price. Corsair have delivered once again another fantastic product, but this time at a much lower price. The award for the K63 mechanical gaming keyboard is a gold award. It's a must buy for anyone on a budget. Hope you've enjoyed the review, guys. As always, my name's Mark from Totally Silenced Tech. I'll see you real soon. Goodbye.